with the hinge like that, it really fucks with you. Like I can't get it to close right. The hinge like that. I just need it up. Now it's not touching anything. My pad, it's about, I want to say the back tire is barely on the edge, and then those 3 boards. I didn't realize it was on Zoom. Here is the wiring diagram. I think it's color coded, but you can't tell on any of the colors anymore. Oh, the fire extinguisher is still in here. Right there, it's probably not good. I thought it was like when it's hot out, it's in the white, but when it's cold, it's no good. Huh, I wonder what that is. There's like this. Must be like an air. Oh, it's probably the wiper. So they're air-driven wipers. Yeah, that's a wiper. Oh, this is my horn. Air horn. I found the panel. There's wires going up through that too. I think it tested the main power that comes in. I think I tested the wrong one. This is a progress overview, I guess. If anybody needs some, I think these are original bus lights for over the seats. Let me know. You could probably just pay shipping or trade me for something I need, like a window. But I found the window rubber for this up here in the back. The floor in the middle is pretty solid. It's bouncy because, well, it's sitting on the bags right now. I'll probably start tearing more of this down so I get rid of this junk, so I can use my trailer for other junky ideas. Hey Bailey, come look at this.